Hey guys, you're most welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. If it is your first time to watch my videos, please this is the time I'm going to encourage you to go and come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the channel as you can see from here. Please just subscribe to my channel. Sorry, it has been a while for those that have not been making up videos, but I have very many videos, most of them for programming, and that's it. So today I'm going to be walking you through the different program language that I'm going to be coming up with at the moment. So today, I happen to guys show you, most of you guys who might have checked on my videos, I have a very many playlist, especially on one on us over 655 videos. I also have several videos on systems. I have much videos on this is React Native. I have very many videos as well also on React. This introduction to reactjs, which today I'm going to be walking you through on reactjs and going to the next level. Now don't forget, I also have videos on Flutter where I showed you guys how to come up with a Flutter application. So if you check on my previous videos here, you should be in a position to as well see uh, some videos, over 70 something videos on Flutter mobile application. Now, today I'm going to also take you guys, those who wants to hire me, please. I'm on ospro.com. So this is my platform, my channel, my website. Please go there and you can as well send me a message direct so that this is me and my details. So just go there and send me a message. Now, to make life simple, I'm going to take you direct to what I'm to do with you today. So the main thing at the moment is what is majorly one known as reactjs. Remember, reactjs is a library actually from JavaScript. So meaning you guys, if you want to make a web application, want to make a single page application, you have to make sure you understand what known as JavaScript. So JavaScript is online. You guys can as well. You don't even need to install a JavaScript. There's nothing you need to install majorly JavaScript into your PC. So JavaScript is everywhere, so every browser you guys are using supports JavaScript. So when you just go online, you can just type JavaScript introduction. So this can give you a good chance to go along. Just type JavaScript introduction, just like I've said, is a lightweight object-oriented program language which is used by several websites, blah blah, etc. So JavaScript has also got libraries, and if you go and cross-check here JavaScript libraries, or I can say libraries or frameworks, whatever, library. If you check there, you realize there are very many of them, you get, that you can as well tend to look onto. This is some of them, and there are more. Like after learning JavaScript, there's jQuery, there's React, just like I said to you guys earlier, and React being is one of the popular libraries, which is going to even give us a chance to take you to something called React Native, which I happen to make some videos, over 7+ videos, 9 videos on React Native. So guys, let me not waste your time being the first video we have today. Let me just take you direct to React.js. Now look, when you just look onto React, like React.js introduction. So what is there really in React.js? Remember, like I've said earlier, React.js is a JavaScript library, like I've said, for building up user interfaces. It lets you compose complex UIs from small and isolated pieces. So it gives you a chance to come up with something really robust. And if you cross-check, there are several websites that maybe I will say actually supports React. So you can as well download this React kind of this is restricted. This React kind of, I don't know if you guys can see, React developer tool. You can go and download it from your Chrome, and you can always test and check whether you can be in a position to actually to know whether this site has been built with the React on it. For example, if you go to Google Chrome, Google Chrome is not built from React, as you can see. But there are several sites that if you go and cross check, you realize that they use the React on the development. For example, when you go to freelancer.com, I'm talking about freelancer.com because I do some part of work there, I think. I don't know whether they also have some React with them. This one does not support React, as you can see. And I also have this tool which gives me chance to know which languages tend to be. So this is very good for you developers to have this like webalizer. So it's also a very good tool to understand and realize whether a given program language is being utilized in that script. I'll show you some server sites that use React. So in this video, please, it's just a warm welcome to React development, and I'm going to take you guys in the next video, which I'm going to show you how to use CMD and to push yourself in the next session. Thank you for watching this short video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know it really looks like there's nothing really done big, but I want just to make it minimal and we save time and make sure we look for jobs. So meaning learn React Native, learn reactjs, get jobs from freelancer.com. Let's watch the next video. Thank you.